Hey buddy! If you want these quirky info videos to pop up in your eyes like a circus show, then subscribe to our channel and give that bell icon a solid whack.
Both of us have AIDS, HIV. We have not had any children so far. We are having sex with condoms. If both husband and wife have AIDS, will the child also get AIDS? How should we try for a child?
You both being HIV positive and using condoms for safe sex shows you are already very careful, which is excellent. Now you are thinking about having a child. This is possible, but only with proper medical guidance and treatment. Even if both parents have HIV, it does not mean the child will definitely get HIV. With modern treatment, the chance of the baby being born HIV-free and completely healthy is very high. It depends on whether both of you are already taking ART medicines, antiretroviral therapy, regularly. When taken properly, these medicines bring the viral load, the amount of HIV in the blood, down to an undetectable level. At this stage, the risk of passing HIV from one partner to the other through sex becomes almost zero. This is called U is equal to U, undetectable is equal to untransmittable. So, if both of you are on regular ART and your viral load tests show undetectable levels, you can safely try for pregnancy through sex without condoms. This is safe. However, once pregnancy occurs, you must never stop the medicines. The wife needs special ART medicines during pregnancy, regular checkups, and close monitoring by a doctor. With proper treatment throughout pregnancy, delivery, and giving medicines to the baby for a few weeks after birth, the risk of the child getting HIV drops to less than 1%, almost close to zero. In India, the NACO PPTCT, Prevention of Parent-to-Child Transmission, program provides free medicines, tests, and counseling. Visit your nearest ART center or a gynecologist who specializes in HIV. Get your viral load and CD4 count checked. Once both are undetectable, you can try for conception without condoms. After pregnancy is confirmed, the wife must continue medicines, have monthly checkups, and follow the doctor's plan for delivery, normal or cesarean as advised. After birth, the baby gets medicines for 4 to 6 weeks and tests are done. Following all this, the baby has a very high chance of being born HIV-free and fully healthy. It is not that everything gets completely controlled in 1 year. Medicines must continue for life. Get viral load and CD4 tests every 6 months. Change medicines only if the doctor advises. Since you are already on medicines, consult an HIV specialist now to make a proper plan. There is no need to fear. Modern medicine has helped many HIV-positive couples have HIV-free healthy babies. You too can have such a golden child. But do not take decisions on your own, always follow the doctor's advice. Ensure both your health and the baby's health remain safe. With careful steps, a happy life awaits you.